Hey friends, welcome back. So remember my vegan sandwich that I made a little while back? Well, this is going to be my favorite plant-based wrap. I'm going to show you how I make it. It's made with roasted cauliflower and chickpeas. I use a spring mix and pickled onions and a chipotle yogurt sauce that is to die for. So I'm going to show you how I make that and just stick around. So we're going to start off with our onions. Now you want to cut these as thin as possible. And to do that, you're going to need a good knife, guys. Invest in a good knife. Like, it really makes a difference. This knife, I got this from Williams-Sonoma, and it cuts the onion like butter, and there's no tears. That's something to keep in mind. If you have a good knife, the onion, you don't get any tears with it. And then to these onions, we're going to add our seasoning. Now I just added everything together. It's going to be the juice and zest of one lime, or half of a lime, and some garlic. And just an FYI, I never pay attention to what a recipe says when it says add garlic. I love garlic, so I usually add extra. And then we're going to use a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. And then a teaspoon of maple syrup. And then a 1/4 cup of cilantro. And then we're going to stir that all together. And I'm going to cover this and then just go ahead and throw it in the fridge while I prepare the rest of the recipe. Now, another good utensil to have, you guys, are these flat measuring spoons. They fit down in the jars of the seasoning, so not necessary, but a little bit handy. And so, yeah, go pick those up, Williams-Sonoma. And then we're going to make our yogurt sauce. Now, I'm telling you now, guys, go ahead and double this recipe. Listen to me, double this recipe. It's so good. I'm telling you, you're going to love this yogurt sauce, so go ahead and double it. I use a plant-based coconut, plain coconut yogurt. And we're going to add our chipotle peppers, vegan mayo, garlic, extra garlic, our lime zest, our cilantro, and then our lime juice. Now, you guys, with the maple syrup, I always add more. I add more maple syrup, and I also add some of that sauce from the chipotle peppers because I like it a little bit sweeter and I like it a little bit spicier. So just taste as you go and add extra, if you need it. But this sauce, you guys, is so good. And now we're going to do our seasonings for our roasted vegetables, which is sea salt, thyme, coriander, onion powder, and garlic powder. And you guys, I also have a video on how I prepare my chickpeas. I do not buy canned chickpeas anymore. I make my own, and these are already seasoned. They're ready to go, and I store them in a mason jar. And then we're gonna grab our cauliflower. Again, the recipe is going to be in the description box below. And you do not have to cut those ends off. You can just throw it all in there and roast it all. But just cut your cauliflower into bite-sized pieces. Now, in her recipe, you guys, she double roasts her veggies and chickpeas, and she also cooks them separate. I don't have time for that today. I've made it both ways. It tastes equally good. So we're just going to throw it all together and put all of our seasoning over all of it. And that's how we're going to roll today. So just go ahead and put your seasoning on. Go ahead and mix that up. Get it good and mixed up. And then I add my salt at the end. If you have salt restrictions, add it separately, and that way you can control it a little bit better. But we're going to roast that for 425 degrees for 20 minutes. And if you need more, go ahead and put it in a little bit more. But after it's done, we're going to add that Chipotle yogurt sauce. It's so good. Try not to eat it. I always taste it and eat a little extra, but okay. But that's it, you guys. It's a wrap. Get it? It's a wrap. But now it's time to put it together. So let's go ahead, and you can use a pita, you can use naan, you can use whatever you want. Go ahead and add your spring mix, your pickled onions, this Chipotle yogurt sauce. You guys, look at all that seasoning. But go ahead and try this. Like, subscribe, comment, come back for more, and thank me later. Bye.